Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize impact.com campaign setup for tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing your impact.com campaign setup for tracking, navigate to the impact.com dashboard. Log in using your user credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Campaigns tab to access the Campaigns section. Next, click on the Create New Campaign button to start setting up your new campaign. Fill in the required fields such as campaign name and description. Select the campaign type that best fits your promotional goals. After selecting the campaign type, set the desired start and end dates for your campaign. Proceed to define the tracking settings for the campaign. In the tracking settings, find the option for Tracking Domains. Here, enter your domain information accurately, ensuring there are no typos. Once you've input your domain, click on the Authorize Domain button. You may need to verify your email to confirm the authorization. After email verification, return to the campaign setup. Scroll down to the Tracking Pixels section to add necessary tracking pixels. Input the pixel data as per your tracking requirements. Confirm that all tracking pixels are properly aligned with your campaign objectives. Then, review all the details you've filled out for the campaign. Once everything looks accurate, click on the Save Campaign button. Your campaign is now set for tracking authorization. You can monitor the status of your tracking setup within the dashboard. Ensure to regularly check for any alerts or updates on your campaign status. With these steps completed, your impact.com campaign setup is fully authorized for tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.